Alright guys, got a box of 06 National Treasures we're going to break. My hands aren't on this, and as I've been told, this is punishment. Let's see what we get. Just to kill the dead air, this is part of the buffet special from Blowout that got last week and just came in today. National Treasures, 7 cards per box, 6 hits and 1 base. Looks like a silver base in the front. Dante Lavelle, 90 of 125. Got a Delanie Walker rookie, 121 of 200. Getting a little better. Dave Casper, jersey auto, 23 of 25. Hey, Marcus Vick, rookie, 90 of 200. Got a patch coming. Travis Wilson of the Browns, number 22 of 49. Alex Smith, 3-colored rookie, 9 of 25. And the last one is going to be a Gale Sayers single, looks like 65 of 99. That's the box.